Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I'm your teacher and today I'm going to teach you maths. Now please take out your maths counting 11 to 30 school worksheet book. Open page number 16. First of all, mention the date here. Today the date is 13th January 2021 and the day here, write the day here. Today the day is Wednesday. WEDNESDAY, day, Wednesday. Today our new number is 26. 2 and 6, 26. 2 and 6 makes 26. Count the smiley faces with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Today our new friend is 26. The number is 26. 2 and 6 makes 26. Now students, trace the number with the help of pencil. 2 and 6, 26. 2 and 6, 26. 2 and 6 makes 26. 2 and 6, 26. 26, 26, 26 and 26. Okay. Now read with me. Color 26 pencils. यानी आपने ये काउंट करनी है पेंसिल्स और इनमें 26 पेंसिल्स हैं, कलर्स करने हैं. काउंट विद मी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. 26 pencils. Here are 26 pencils. Now find out your favorite color from your color pencil box and you have to do colors in ups and down direction like this. Ups and down, 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 ups and down. Okay students, now you have to do colors in these smiley faces. It's also a circle shape. Ups and down, ups and down. You have to do color like this. Okay. Now repeat the number with me. 2 and 6, 26. 2 and 6, 26. Okay, dear students, look at these flashcards. You can see different colors in these flashcards. Which color is this? Blue. Color is blue. Red. Brown. Yellow. Purple. Green. Pink. Orange. Dear students, look at these 5 basic shapes. Rectangle, oval, triangle, circle and square. These are 5 basic shapes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.